Girona is, I would go as far as saying, the cycling capital of the world. For pro cycling, it's perfect, because as a pro cyclist, there's normally 5 things you look for. You need good weather, good roads, not just the quality of the surface, but also the types of terrain. Flat, rolling mountains, all within a radius of where you live. Other pro cyclists to train with. You need an airport nearby. Then number 5 is a good quality of life. So Girona ticks the 5 boxes, if you like. But Girona is also where Chapter 3 was born. What's happened in the last year, there's been a massive influx of cycling tourism. For us with Chapter 3 in Girona, it really makes total sense because it keeps us really in the heart of everything that's going on. And I'd like to think that we were part of the origin story of cycling in Girona.